In 2010, I became a congressman. In 2016, nandito ako, alam ko na na-involved si Michael Yang.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And yet, you tell me na hindi ka man lang nakareceive ng information ng involvement ni Mr. Yang, specifically from 2016 to 2022 dahil takot kayo na maglagay ng report na si Mr. Michael Yang ay involved sa illegal drugs. Why? Kasi alam ninyo na malapit siya kay former President Digong. Lahat naman kayo nun, takot yun. Takot kayo eh. And do not tell me na hindi totoo yun. Kaya ngayon nga lumalabas ito eh. Dahil ngayon, ang mga tao hindi takot. And now, hanggang ngayon, takot ka pa rin. Tapos pinagyayabang mo, you have a name to protect for your children. I do not believe that. Gerald Wilkins, may I know how long or what was the first time that you were assigned to PDEA?
Since 2022, Mr. Chair. At 2002, Mr. Chair.
2002. And when did you become the head of PDEA?
2020, Mr. Chair.
2020. Okay. Thank you. Kasi, itong istoryang ito ay isang istorya ng 5 magkakaibigan na parehas ang trabaho. They were working for government. Si Colonel Asierto, si Captain Pirote, si Colonel Fajardo, Mr. Guban of Customs, at isang PNCO named Jerry. They knew each other because of their work. But because of a life-changing report made by Colonel Asierto, where he made some allegations insofar as the former mayor and former president is concerned. Would that be correct, Colonel Asierto?
Yes, sir.
Yes. May I know why you made that report?
Because that is my duty, Your Honor, Mr.
Okay.
Chairman. As a police officer, I received an information, raw information. I validated the information. Then, after validation, I made the proper report.
And in that report, you alleged that former President Digong was connected with individuals connected or involved in illegal drug activities. The persons you were referring to were a certain Mr. Michael Yang and Mr. Alan Lin. Would that be correct?
Yes, Your Honor, but on my first report, there is no mention of the name of President Duterte. The name of President Duterte was included on my second report that I submitted to then Chief PNP Oscar Albayalde.
Thank you. And these reports were, the first one was submitted to then General De La Rosa, the Chief of the PNP. And the second report was submitted to General Albayalde, also a former Chief PNP. Tama po.
Yes, sir. Tama po, sir.
And would it be correct na because of that report, former President Digong's reaction was to publicly condemn you, even calling for your death and for associating him with illegal activities, including the alleged sale of 1,000 plus AK-47s to the New People's Army. Would that be correct?
Yes, sir, including the 10 million bounty on my head.
Yes. And therefore, would you agree with me that that statement implies a personal vendetta against you for your allegations?
Yes, sir.
And because of that also, na-filean ka ng kaso for the sale of the AK-47s and for illegal drugs?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Now, we go to the role of Jimmy Guban. Jimmy Guban, you're the Customs Intelligence Officer working with Colonel Asierto, Captain Perote, Colonel Fardo. Tama po.
We are working together, Your Honor.
I beg your pardon?
We are working together, Your Honor.
Yes. Kasi isa yung linya ng trabaho nyo.
Opo, Your Honor.
But because, according to your statements doon sa unang hearing na napunta ka sa dito, sinabi mo na because of fear, inamin mo doon sa hearing, doon sa Senate, na you accused Colonel Asierto of masterminding a 13 billion shabu shipment in magnetic lifters. And you testified that Asierto facilitated the shipment but later tipped of authorities to intercept a part of it. Would that be correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. And because of this, that controversial report of Colonel Asierto, your colleague, si Captain Perote, a retired investigator, was allegedly killed due to similar reports he filed implicating Mr. Yang and Mr. Lim. Colonel Asierto, would that be correct? Ed?
Sir, nawala po. Tama po yun, sir.
Yeah. Pinatay si Lito Perote, yung kasamahan ninyo, because of alleged similar reports he filed implicating Mr. Yang and Mr. Lim? Would that be correct?
Yes, sir. Siya po yung...
Now, I do not know if this is violated. There were reports that the skeletal remains of Perote were discovered inside a drum in 2019. Allegedly, a DNA was conducted, but the results were never released. Were you knowledgeable about this?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir. Hindi ko po alam, sir.
Okay. Pero may report na ganon. Now, Colonel Asierto, you joined the anti-illegal drug task force of the PNP in 2003. Tama po?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And this task force was made because wala na yung NARCOM. Because of the
Yes,
PNP
sir.
law passed in 1990. Tama?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Tama po, sir.
Yes. And you stayed with this task force up to 2017.
Actually, sir, I was relieved I think 2012. Then I returned on sa 2017, sir.
Yes. As the Deputy for Administration.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Unfortunately, in 2016, the former mayor of Davao became the president.
Yes, sir.
And in 2018, because galit na galit siya sa iyo at nagkaroon ng allegations na involved ka sa drugs, nagkaroon ng Senate hearing in 2018.
Yes, sir.
Tama? And the accusations
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
and the accusations against you were the mastermind of the 13 billion shabu shipment in July, 2.4 billion shipment at the MICP or Manila International Container Port, stuffed inside abandoned magnetic lifters, and 11 billion of missing shabu suspected to be packed in similar magnetic lifters found in Cavite. Ito po yung charges sa iyo, di ba?
Opo, sir. Yes, sir.
And this was testified to also by your friend, Mr. Guban.
Yes, sir, and I think he recanted, sir.
Yeah, I know. In a court hearing, I was informed that Mr. Jimmy Guban recanted all his statements implicating you during that Senate hearing in 2018. Tama?
Yes, sir.
Now, may I know the reason why in one of your statements, sinabi mo na ang real drug lords are Mr. Alan Lim and Mr. Michael Yang? May I know the basis of your statement? Or how did you come to know about this?
It was relayed to me by my reliable informant, sir, na they are involved in the shipment of the illegal drugs, especially during the time of President Duterte. And all the drugs are coming through the Bureau of Customs.
Thank you. And General Wilkins Villanueva, you were with PIDEA in 2002 and you became the head in 2020. Tama po.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And during that stint of yours, have you ever heard of the involvement of Mr. Michael Yang and Mr. Alan Lim sa illegal drugs?
Only Alan Lim, Mr. Chair, and not no Michael Yang, Mr. Chair.
Up to 2022, when you became the PIDEA head?
Yes, Mr. Chair, kasi wala,
Kasi,
hindi
siguro,
ko,
sige,
kasi sir, wala ako natanggap na information, Mr. Chair eh.
ang napakahina ng information nyo ng kwan, ng PIDEA. Because in 2010, I became a congressman. And 2016, nandito ako, alam ko na na-involved si Michael Yang.
2016, Mr. Chair, is nasa Region 10 ako, Mr. Chair.
Kaya nga, sinasabi ko nga, from 2002 up to 2022, nasa PIDEA ka.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And yet, you tell me na hindi ka man lang nakareceive ng information ng involvement ni Mr. Yang, specifically from 2016 to 2022, dahil takot kayo na maglagay ng report na si Mr. Michael Yang ay involved sa illegal drugs. Why? Kasi alam ninyo na malapit siya kay former President Digong. Lahat naman kayo nun, takot yun. Takot kayo eh. And do not tell me na hindi totoo yun. Kaya ngayon nga lumalabas ito eh. Dahil ngayon, ang mga tao hindi takot. And now, hanggang ngayon, takot ka pa rin. Tapos pinagyayabang mo, you have a name to protect for your children. I do not believe that. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Yeah, thank you, Congressman Akop. Are you? So, Congressman Abante, you're recognized.
Yes. Our next topic actually now is EJK, no? And to start the ball rolling, we would allow former Senator Lael de Lima for her short presentation. But while she is preparing, I just would like to ask, finally, I just would like to ask certain questions to Ms. Rose Nonolin, no? While our good Senator De Lima is preparing. Kailan kayo huling nakita ni Lee Wenxiong?
November 1 po,
November 1.
this holiday.
So hanggang ngayon di pa kayo nakikita, no? From November 1.
Yes po, ilang araw pa lang naman po
Okay,
nakalipas.
hindi mo rin alam kung kailan siya uuwi.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Therefore, maaaring tumagal pa bago siya umuwi, correct?
Hindi ko po masasagot kung maaaring tumagal pa o...
Maaaring tumagal o hindi.
Yes
Di ba?
po.
Okay. So, ibig sabihin, sa hindi niyong pagkikita ng mga ilang linggo, maaari mo ring sabihin na hindi mo masyadong kilala ang asawa mo.
Mr. Chair, hindi naman...
Kilala mo ba siya?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Kilala mo ang lahat ng kanyang business transaction?
Hindi po.
Wala siyang tinatago sa'yo? Sinasabi ba siya sa'yo lahat? Hindi.
Mr. Chair, kung ano po yung gusto niya
Kaya
sabihin.
nga, yes or no lang. Kilala mo ba siya talaga? Sapagkat hindi naman kayo nakikita palagi. Oo. Alam mo ba lahat ng kanya business transaction? Oo.
Hindi
Alam mo
po,
ba
Mr.
kung
Chair.
meron siyang girlfriend sa abroad?
Hindi po, Mr. Chair.
Oo. Chinese siya eh.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Kilala ko po ang Chinese eh. Oo. Ang Pilipino nga, hindi nakakapagtago. Chinese pa kaya? Di ba? Oo. Okay. Governor. Oh, hindi ko ba ibig sabihin, meron kang mga ilang bagay na hindi mo alam sa iyong asawa. Correct? Tama ba ako?
Tama, Mr. Chair.
Ayun, okay. So, ibig sabihin, pinapatunayan lamang dito na hindi mo siya kilala 100%, hindi mo alam lahat ang kanyang business transaction, correct?
Yes,
Tama.
Mr. Chair.
Ayan,
Hindi ko alam
okay.
lahat ng business
Now, ang pangalawang
transaction
tanong,
niya.
ito Okay. Sabi mo kanina, kilala mo si Michael Yang.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Kasama siya sa korporasyon ninyo.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Ano ang palagay mo sa testimony ni Jimmy Guban at ni Asherto tungkol sa involvement ni Michael Yang sa drugs?
Mr. Chair, hindi po ako pwede magbigay ng comment about Michael Yang kasi hindi ko naman siya personally kilala.
So,
kung ano
hindi
yung mga
mo rin
ginagawa
alam.
niya.
Katulad ng hindi mo alam lahat ng business transaction ng iyong asawa, hindi mo rin alam ang business transaction ni Michael Yang. Tama, mali?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Hindi ko po alam ang business
Mr.
transaction
Chair,
ni
yun lang po ang
Michael
aking
Yang.
tanong. Bago po kay Senator Lae de Lima, meron pa po yatang tanong si SDS. Go ahead, SDS. You're recognized.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chairman. Kasi narinig ko si DG Lasso, Alan Lim, also known as Jeffrey Lin and Jeff Lin, Ayong, Wenxiong Lin Wenxiong, Welly Chen. Isang tao lang po to, Ma'am Rose Nonolim.
Mr. Chair, hindi po.
Well, anyway, si DG Lasso na ang sasagot niyan. My number 2 question. Sagutin mo lang ako kung tama o hindi. Si Alan Lim, nandito, at saka si Michael Yang, magpinsan.
Hindi, Mr. Chair.
Sigurado ka?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Pag napatunayan ko, anong gagawin ko sa'yo?
Mr. Chair, ang asawa ko is Lin Wishong, not Alan
Kaya
Lim.
nga, pag napatunayan ko, yung isang tao, ang daming pangalan, yun si Alan Lim at yung sinasabi mong asawa, pag napatunayan natin isa lang yun, at napatunayan ko magpinsan si Michael Yang at saka si Alan Lim, ano ang gusto mong gawin ko sa'yo? Sige nga. Nandito si... Salita ka na.
Hindi ko alam, Mr. Chair, kung ano yung gusto niyo pong gawin.
Pero hindi mo ina-admit na magpinsan si Alan Lim at saka si Michael Yang.
Magpinsan po in what degree, Mr. Chair?
Basta magpinsan. Alam mo naman yung magpinsan. Pilipina ka naman, di ba?
Iko-confirm ko po kung magpinsan po sila.
Ilang years na kayo magkasama ni Mr. mo? Hindi ko natatawag ang Alan Lim.
15
Kasi ayaw mo-
years po.
15 years. Hindi mo alam kung anong relasyon ni Michael Yang at saka ni Alan Lim.
Alam ko lang po, business partner po sila.
Marunong bang mag-English si Michael Yang?
Hindi ko po siya narinig na nag-i-English dahil hindi po naman po kami nagkakausap ng matagal.
Ang asawa mo, marunong mag-English.
Hindi po siya marunong mag-English, Mr. Chair.
Di ba nakita mo yung picture? Nasa gitna si dating Pangulo. Tapos nasa isang side si Michael Yang. Nasa right side si Michael Yang. At saka si Alan Lim. Hindi marunong mag-Chinese si Presidente, si former President. Hindi marunong mag-English si Michael Yang. Sinong interpreter nila?
Hindi ko po alam that time kung sino ang interpreter po nila nung pumunta po
Yung
sila
asawa
doon.
mo magaling mag-English.
Hindi po.
Marunong mag-Chinese.
Chinese po talaga siya.
Kaya nga, marunong mag-Chinese, hindi marunong mag-English.
Opo, tama po, Mr.
Dalawa
Chair.
yan. Tandaan mo yung tinanong ko sa'yo, ha? Magpinsan ba si Michael Yang at saka si Alan Lim? That's number 1 question. Number 2, hindi ba talagang marunong mag-English ang asawa mo, puro Chinese? Yun ang tandaan mong dalawang tanong ko sa'yo. Magkikita pa tayo sa susunod na hearing, mag-research ka. Otherwise, nandito si Congressman Paduano.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Maraming salamat, Mr.
Mr.
Chair.
Thank
Chair,
you, Mr. Chair.
very, very short, Mr. Chair. Connected, Mr. Chair. Connected po sa sinabi ni SDS, tinanong. Very, very short.
Make it short, please.
Yeah, very, very short. Natatandaan ko po, Mr. Chair, when, I don't know kung sino po sa mga chairman, they ask Miss Lynn kung ano yung ibang palayaw ng mga kay husband mo. You mentioned about Jeffrey.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, may I ask SDS, di ba may na-mention po kayong Jeffrey? Ano po yung mga palayaw na iba?
Ang pangalan na Mr. Chairman, Alan Lim, also known as Jeffrey Lim. Si Jeff Lim, Ayong, Wishyong Lim, at Lin Wishyong.
Yeah,
At yung
Mr.
isa, Wen Li Chen.
Thank you, Mr. Yung, kanina, na-mention din niya yung Ayong eh, Mr. Chair.
Ayong, may Ayong.
Na-mention niyo po, Miss Lynn, yung Ayong, di ba? Jeffrey and Ayong, yung tawag sa husband niyo. Totoo ba yun? Kaya kasi pwede nating balikan yung records.
Sorry, Mr. Chair, I cannot recall kung nagsabi po akong ayong.
But
Pero
I can...
Jeffrey,
Was it you, Congresswoman Jinky, when you asked? Yeah. But Ayong, yeah. She mentioned something about Ayong, and when she was asked about what else does your husband be, I don't know, referred to by, I don't know, sabi niya yung mga friends niya is sometimes they call him Jeffrey. So it's just, nung na-mention niyo po, parang... But anyway, Mr. Chair, just to leave, I leave it at that. Thank you very much, Mr. Chair.
Thank you,
Mr.
Congressman
Mr. Chair.
Adjong. Congressman Abante.
Before Senator De Lima, I think is now quite prepared, no? But I heard, sabi ni Rose Nono Lim na tatabu kayong congressman uli.
tama po, Mr. Chair.
Kanina, sabi ninyo hindi niya magagawang iwanan kayo nung asawa mo dahil kawawa naman yung mga bata. Saan niyo kukunin yung inyong pang-campaign?
Mayroon naman po kaming savings, Mr. Chair. Mayroon naman po kaming naka-allocate po na funds para po doon.
Kayo,
Yes
kasama
po.
yung asawa mo.
Opo.
Opo, bawal po sa foreigner ang mag-sponsor ng campaign ng Pilipino.
Mr. Chair, mag-asawa naman po kami.
Kahit po, nakalagay po sa batas na bawal ang isang foreigner na magbigay ng tulong sa mga tumatakbo. Pakitinan po ang inyong batas para makita nyo. Okay?
Salamat, Mr. Chair.
All right. So,